Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with Alex. I'm so excited to have you here today as we explore the word of the day, which is birthday. A birthday is a special day that marks the anniversary of someone's birth. It's a word that's familiar to all of us and carries a lot of joy and celebration. Let's start with this simple definition. A birthday is the day you were born, and every year on that date, people often celebrate to remember the occasion. For example, if you were born on January 8th, then every January 8th is your birthday. It's a day for cake, presents, and good wishes from friends and family. Now, let's look at some synonyms for birthday. A good synonym is anniversary, but keep in mind that anniversary can refer to other events as well, like a wedding. For example, you could say, "Today is the anniversary of my birth." Another synonym might be celebration in the sense that birthdays are often happy events. You could say, "We're planning a big celebration for her birthday this year." On the other hand, let's talk about antonyms. There aren't many direct antonyms for birthday, but you could think of words like ordinary day or unremarkable day as opposites in context. For example, you might say, "Unlike my birthday, today is just an ordinary day." Now, let's see how birthday appears in everyday conversations. You might hear someone say, "I'm so excited for my birthday party this weekend." Or maybe, "What do you usually do to celebrate your birthday?" It's also common to wish someone a happy birthday, like, "Happy birthday, Alex. I hope you have a great day." Here are a few examples of birthday used in sentences. Her birthday is next Tuesday, and we're planning a surprise party. He always bakes a cake for his daughter's birthday. This is my first birthday away from home, but I'm still going to celebrate with my friends. To sum up, the word birthday refers to the anniversary of the day someone was born, and it's often a time of joy, celebration, and togetherness. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we love hearing from you. Here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word birthday and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.